I left my husband, and he left for Massachusetts to win my heart back. He said he would ride the entire country. When he started riding, I came back. Ever since, I've been trying to find my way in his world. We've faced many stumbling blocks and many challenges. I fail every day. I make mistakes constantly, but I just keep trying. I can do this. Hello everyone. So I'm making lunch today. We're having tiny steak and steamed vegetables, and I will take you a look here in a second. So here are the steamed vegetables. Don't they look good? Can you smell that? Oh, yum. So good. Lunch is served. Doesn't that look yummy? And healthy. Bye, y'all. There you have it. Cooking semi-healthy is very easy. Carrots. Yummy. Bye, y'all.